Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to set up a head bonk redeem. Let's get started. So go to node graph right here. Then you're going to go into your channel points. Let's name this channel point node as head bonk, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down under the action nodes and find the bonk button right here. See? All you have to do is connect them, and then when somebody in your chat redeems channel points, which you'll do have to make sure to set it up on your Twitch account, but once you set up your channel points with the bonk here, all you have to do is right click, send signal as a test, and then you can get hit in the head. Awa. So there you go. That's in a nutshell how you can set up a quick head bonk redeem in VNyan, and I hope to help you guys. Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey bye bye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!